In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an Elementor kit on your WordPress site. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this process can be a game changer in enhancing your website's design and functionality. So, let's dive in and walk through each step together. First things first, navigate to your WordPress admin area. From there, you have two options to access the kit library. You can either go to Templates and then select Website Templates, or you can enter through the Elementor Editors folder to find the kit library. This library is like a treasure chest full of ready-to-use design kits that can transform your site without having to start from scratch. Once you're in the kit library, take a moment to browse through the selection. When you find a kit that piques your interest, hover over it and click on View Demo. This demo is a fantastic way to preview what the kit looks like and how it functions. It helps you make sure that the kit aligns with the vision you have for your website. As you're viewing the demo, you'll see an Overview button. Click that, then hit Apply. If you're interested in all the elements of the kit, there's an option to Apply All, which will bring everything into your site in one swoop. When you move to the import screen, there are a few important steps to follow. First, ensure that any required plugins are installed. Elementor kits often rely on specific plugins for full functionality, so this step is crucial. Next, you'll need to select the components you wish to import. These typically include templates, content, and site settings. It's a good practice to import only what you need to avoid cluttering your site with unnecessary elements. If your kit makes use of SVG files, you might be prompted to enable unfiltered file uploads. This setting is vital for ensuring that SVGs display correctly on your site, but remember to handle it carefully due to security considerations associated with SVG uploads. Once everything is set up, click Import and sit tight while your kit is being brought into WordPress. You'll see a message when the import is complete, and at this point, you'll want to click Close. Now, head over to the Pages section to edit any of the pages included in your import. This is where you can add your personal touch, adjusting content, colors, and layouts to make the design uniquely yours. Finally, keep in mind that all imported templates will appear under Templates in the Saved Templates section, while any pro parts will be stored within the theme builder. This organization helps keep everything tidy and easily accessible whenever you need to make adjustments or additions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly install an Elementor kit on your WordPress site, opening a world of design possibilities without the hassle of designing from the ground up. Happy designing!